3 obvious signs you're built for an ambitious man. Sign number 1, you're secure even when he's not around. Hindi ka agad kinakabahan kapag busy siya. Hindi ka nagpapanik kapag tahimik ang phone. Dati iniisip mo pa, bakit parang wala siya? Bakit hindi siya nag-update? Pero ngayon, iba na. Alam mo na hindi siya umaalis dahil may kulang sa'yo. Umaalis siya kasi he's busy chasing his dreams. You don't need constant presence para maramdaman na pinipili ka. Hindi ka naghahanap ng reassurance bawat oras. At hindi ka nagbibilang ng oras ng reply. Because deep down, alam mong may direction siya. And that kind of security, hindi lahat kayang dalhin yan. Sign number 2, you respect focus instead of competing with it. Kapag tahimik siya, hindi mo agad iniisip na napapabayaan ka. Hindi ka nagtatampo agad. Hindi ka gumagawa ng issue para lang mapansin. Dati gusto mo ng lambing agad. Ngayon, mas naiintindihan mo na ang timing. Alam mo kung kailan dapat magsalita. Alam mo kung kailan dapat umintindi. You don't see his grind as a threat. You see it as a preparation. Hindi ka nakikipagkompetensya sa pangarap niya. Hindi mo hinihila pababa ang focus niya. You let him build because you know where he's trying to go. Sign number 3, you value long-term stability over short-term comfort. Mas mahalaga sa'yo ang may direksyon kaysa sa may lambing araw-araw. You understand delayed gratification. You know that some seasons are about waiting. Hindi ka naghahanap ng instant, hindi ka rin nagmamadali. You're choosing something that lasts kahit hindi palaging magaang. Listen, hindi lahat kayang magmahal ng ambitious na lalaki at hindi rin lahat dapat pilitin. Pero kung kaya mong tumayo ng mag-isa habang nagtatayo siya ng pangarap, kung kaya mong intindihin ang tahimik na focus, ang delayed na lambing at ang bigat ng responsibility na pasan niya, you're not just loving him, you're building with him. And that kind of partner, rare yan. And some people need presence, others are built for purpose. You don't chase him. Naiintindihan mo lang yung sakripisyo niya para sa pangarap niya. And this is Clara, your wellness sis, self-care, do it for you my love, we got this.